My name is Jill Gu, and I'm an intuitive energy practitioner, channel, transformational movement and meditation coach, and spiritual teacher. And I want to share with you a powerful and transformational retreat that I host in beautiful Tuscany, Italy. These retreats are designed for anyone who's ready to step into adventurous ways of connecting to their inner wisdom and personal power in order to heal, shift, and expand. I provide a diverse menu of activities and exercises that keeps people engaged, inspired, and empowered to create and manifest new possibilities in their life.
Tools that Jill chose to help us open up and to explore whatever issue it was that we had were just wonderful. Every day was a new little journey that I believe led up to the final decision making or transformation that we all had here in Tuscany.
Tuscany is a scenic and historic place that becomes the backdrop and catalyst for people to fill their cups and replenish themselves on all levels. The land itself is very magical and magnetic. During the week, we move our bodies, participate in guided healing meditations, declare our intentions, and connect to ourselves and one another through powerful activities. There's also ample space for introspection and personal exploration, while having time to laugh, play, and experience the healing energy of the Tuscan hills.
Powerful, intense, scary, but Jill made it all feel very one and whole and safe and delightful and happy and energetic and all the things you want it to be. And then we got to see all of Italy too, so it was all the things.
This retreat is designed to fully broaden the richness and abundance in your life. Not only will you create lasting memories and friendships, you will return home recharged and full of expansive new energy. I hope you'll join me in Tuscany, Italy, 2019.